This ticking noise began only when Lucas and I changed the timing cover gaskets. Timing cover gaskets were changed, oil back in the motor, brand new oil, new filter, started the car. This ticking sound / noise began. Now, the same time, the same day we did that, Lucas and I turned the distributor with the hold down bolt loose. I turned the distributor, the noise completely, this ticking sound completely went away. I said, Lucas, you see that? You hear that? There's no more ticking, no more at all. And he said, yeah. Now, I went to the back of the car to do something. I forget what it was that day. Came back within 10 seconds. I see Lucas physically turning the distributor. The ticking right away again. I said, Lucas, why would you do that? I had the noise gone. Now, Mr. Tracy said he's gonna retighten. I already did that. He said he's gonna super tighten these Rimflex exhaust header gaskets. But you notice it's on the driver's side and the passenger side. Before, it was only the driver's side. So that's it thus far. I'll put any other details in the video here. This is my first time speaking like full sentences other than saying a couple of words to my cats early this morning. So if I'm mauling the English language, please do pardon me. But I thank you guys very much. I honestly do. I appreciate your time, your views, your subscription, your comments, and your help. God bless you for real. Not the motor, but you guys that's watching or listening to this video. God bless, and you're heavily appreciated. I will post an update after I change this starter. This starter was sent, it arrived yesterday, LT1 Chevy starter. Now, this is the second one. Now, this yesterday gave problems where I had to get out of the car at a shopping mall, bang the starter with the torque wrench as my daughter turned the Buick on. And it happened again. The fuel pressure dropped all the way to 0 when I was at, like, let's say 4,000 RPM. The car shut off, came to a nice roll, quiet roll, and I had to restart it. And of course, the starter, turn the thing, you hear nothing. Got out, banged the starter on the highway, just off the Jackie Robinson. It started up. So far so good. The new fuel system, Mr. Tracy said that fuel tank, I gave him the brand new fuel tank for this car with the fuel sump. Should be done by next week, not this week, next week. And in saying that, my new electric fuel pump, that I don't have these fuel pressure drops again now, with under acceleration basically, and these problems should go. New fuel pressure regulator, Pro Systems, new 440 gallon per minute per hour Pro Systems electric fuel pump as well, and totally new fuel lines and fittings. So I'm waiting on Mr. Tracy. So far so good. And again, thank you guys very much. Let me check my gauges. My gauges. Just wanted to check my temperature. All right, that's it. Peace.